Okay, so after starting the Master of Business in the Street course, you can log in with your details, and then as you log in with your details, for example, let's say you registered with your email address. This is your email and your password I used to register. Then you log in. So after logging in, you'll be brought back to the dashboard. So you see the link of this course in the description to this video. So when you register, you'll be brought to my platform like this, and then you log in. When you log in, you'll be ushered to the course, and then when the course appears, you click on the course, start course, Master of Business in the Street. So this is the content for the course. So you can start by clicking any of these. Okay, so you can click. So you get to welcome. Okay, so welcome, you'll be ushered here. So welcome to the Master of Business in the Street Self-Reliance Program. So welcome, so you can play.
Welcome to the Masters of Business in the Street MBS program. Hello, I'm Dean Curtis, co-founder of Interweave Solutions, and my team and I are going to be your hosts, your professors as you go through the MBS course. But before we get started, I wanted to take just a second and explain to you the broader picture, the benefits of receiving your MBS certificate and of becoming a Success Ambassador. First of all, you're going to be receiving knowledge to start and grow your own business, knowledge to establish a personal improvement plan and to serve the community.
Okay, so I'll pause here. So after watching this video, you said you want to improve your life, so you can read this, look at the impact of. So this is a lady in Nigeria that can't read, she can't write, she has not really much book knowledge. She's a grown folk. She has a business, she has been running business and wasn't keeping any records. Didn't know how to keep records, and she has been able to keep records. So after getting that, you'll be introduced. So you can go to the next course. So you go to this place, you can mark as complete, and then you go to the next. Okay, it will usher you to the next page. Okay, so when you watch this and that, you mark as complete, and then you can return to what. So when you are done with the units, you can return to what, the next. So you can return to the next up to the end. Okay, so you can return to the end up to the end. Okay, so when you are done watching this video as well,
our mission, we move people from poverty
then when
to
you are
prosperity
done, you mark as complete.
through neighborhood self-reliance groups. Our vision,
then when you are done with this, you also mark as complete. This is a certificate, they are showing you the certifications. Okay, so when you are done with this page, by learning, you continue, you mark as complete, and like that. That's how you do the course. Okay, so when you go to the course content and you go to the course requirements, so you'll be needing you get a certificate for this course. So then you come, so business requirement is here. So you click on this business requirement and you start entering your answers for what, your business. So this for business, this for quality of life, this for service. So you enter here, you can put in your business plan. So if you are doing this course, you have to put your business plan and the product, your price for profit, your process. Okay, promotion, etc. Okay, your quality of life, you put it there. So as you do the course, you know how to do all these things. So on the platform, you go to the course content and you go to what, the business aspect or the requirements. So you do all these things. Okay, this income expense log. This is an income statement. You go to the next part, your business budget. Okay, your business budget. Okay. Okay, so when you are done, this is it. Okay, then you can go back to the page. Okay, so you can go back to the dashboard. Okay, and this is it. So when you enter, it will come for plan, product, process, etc. Okay, so when you go to dashboard, you enter all these over there. So this is where you enter, and when it's 100% for each. So when you go to dashboard and you enter for this, you will be able to what? Get your certificate. Okay, you can come back to your courses, start course. These are the requirements. Okay, and these are the content for the course. So the content part is where you do what? You do the course. And then when you want to enter your requirements, so the requirement is also there. You can click there and it will take you to the where you enter your projects, your certification, so your success story, everything is here. You can as well access these icons by clicking at dashboard. It's the same icons. So all the best as you do this MBS course, Master of Business in the Street course. If you have any challenge, kindly let me know and I'll also assist you. You can contact me in the email to the description to this video. Description to the video is where I write things in addition. That's below the video you are watching, where I type something there for you to, so that you can also get help. So my email is over there. The link to the course, this course, is over there, and then the link that you always have to type for you to come back to where you started after registering for this course is my platform.interviewsolutions.org. So when you click on the link in the description to this video, for example, you click it this way and you click on enter, it will take you to the participant sign up page like this. Okay, and you'll be able to sign up for the course. As well as when you sign up, you can log in to this platform, and then you can access the course. When my courses, it will be available for you to start the course, as easy as that. So go ahead, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next masterclass. Bye.